Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore how being decisive can help you build trust and lead more effectively. Leadership isn't just about making decisions. It's about making confident, informed decisions that inspire trust. Section 1. Why decisiveness is important. Being decisive as a leader is crucial because your team looks to you for direction. When you make decisions confidently, it gives your team clarity, reduces confusion, and keeps projects moving forward. Indecisiveness, on the other hand, can create uncertainty and slow progress. Decisive leaders are trusted because they take responsibility for the outcomes, whether they're good or bad. This builds credibility and trust within the team. Section 2. How to make decisive and confident choices. So how do you become more decisive as a leader? Let's break it down into 3 key steps. Step 1. Gather enough information to make an informed decision, but don't wait for all the details. Overthinking can lead to analysis paralysis. Find the balance between being thorough and timely. Step 2. Trust your instincts. Leadership involves taking calculated risks. Once you've gathered the necessary information, trust your experience and judgment to make the best choice. Step 3. Take responsibility for your decision. If things don't go as planned, own the outcome and lead your team through any necessary adjustments. Section 3. Example of decisiveness in action. Here's an example of decisiveness in action. Imagine you're leading a team working on a high-stakes project. There's an unexpected roadblock, and the team is looking to you for guidance. Instead of waiting for more information, you assess the situation, make a quick decision to adjust the project's timeline, and communicate the plan clearly to the team. By taking decisive action, you prevent the project from stalling and maintain your team's trust and momentum. Section 4. Benefits of decisive leadership. Being decisive has several benefits. First, it builds trust with your team. When they know you're confident in your decisions, they're more likely to follow your lead. Second, it creates a culture of accountability. When your team sees you owning your choices, they're more likely to take responsibility for their own decisions. To recap, great leaders are decisive. They gather the necessary information, trust their instincts, and take responsibility for the outcomes. By doing this, they build trust with their team and create an environment where decisions lead to action, not delays. If you missed any part of the Becoming a Better Leader guide, you can find the full series on this channel under the playlist titled Becoming a Better Leader Guide. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more leadership insights and let us know in the comments how you're building confidence in your decision-making process.